going, you guys? This is Charles. This is the Trader's Corner. This is episode 3 of Coding a Bot a Day until we find the Holy Grail. Now, this series is a new series that we've been doing where we're just trying to code different things and kind of put out the attempts that we make at finding, profitable strategies, strategies that have above a 0.65 Sharpe ratio for at least 5 years out there into the open. So that being said, what I'm working on today is essentially same thing that I'm working on the previous 2 videos, the pairs trading strategy on crude and natural gas. And on top of that, I'm also looking at adding in different trending entries to this idea of autocorrelation. Now, with the crude and natural gas pairs trading strategy, I noticed an issue where it wasn't taking trades after a certain period, and I'm trying to figure out what might be causing that issue, whether it might be the strategy itself or maybe the risk management on the strategy also. That being said, I'm also, struggling with it at this moment, so I may not find it today, but I might have to still look at it tomorrow. Also, I'm looking at the autocorrelation and adding in just a very basic trending strategy with the idea of autocorrelation to make sure that that's something that's possible in terms of adding these 2 things in together. That being said, if we get to that point where I know that it's possible, I'm going to then just look to add this idea of autocorrelation to different trending ideas that I've coded up into this point and see if it adds anything or, takes anything away from those strategies as well. That being said, do you have any advice for any coding ideas or strategy ideas, or like I said, things to just make my coding a little bit better or cleaner, or strategy ideas for us to try in terms of how to improve maybe the risk management or just the strategy itself? Feel free to drop them in the comments. We would love to hear those. We would really appreciate it as well. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I hope they're providing some value to you guys as well, and definitely check back again for the next one.